Hi guys, today we're going to show you the rubber mat set from Cartrimhome. There are 12 pieces here, and right now we'll show you where they go. These are made of high quality rubber. They are non-slipping, so they will help to reduce the noise in the vehicle from the stuff moving around. And besides that, it's easy to clean them, and they will also protect your plastic from scratches. To make sure that these rubber mats sit properly and don't slide, we will actually clean all the surfaces where they go using the isopropyl alcohol. Here we have the first piece. This is how it looks in the back. As I said, it's non-slipping in the back as well. And this one goes in here, where you have either have or you don't have the wireless charger. Some trims have them, some there is only the tray. And this is how it looks. As I said, it fits nicely and actually doesn't slide at all. The cup holder piece goes in here. This RAV4 has the driving mode selector in this place. Some trims don't have this, and they have a small storage place instead. And for that we actually have this piece in the set, but again we won't be able to use this one right here. The next piece goes inside the central console storage box in here. One piece goes inside the small storage space on the left of the steering wheel, right here. This long piece goes inside here, another storage space. And as we said before, now your small stuff won't slide as much on this rubber mat. This is the driver's door, storage compartment, and the cup holder. This one covers both, and exactly the same one goes into the passenger door. We have one rubber mat for this cup holder in the back. Goes in like this. The only problem with this one is that when you close the armrest, it will likely fall out, as you can see. So to prevent that, you can actually try using double-sided tape or something else to make sure that it sticks properly. And by the way, if you want to take them out, there is a small piece of rubber here which allows you to pull this thing out. And we have two more pieces for the rear doors, for the cup holders. One goes in here and the second one on the other side. Our installation is complete. We have all the rubber mats in place. As you can see, it's quite straightforward. We just put them there. And besides that, they actually change the look of the vehicle slightly, because they have this red stitching all around them. And one more time, guys, yeah, if you want to remove them, you have this small rubber piece here that allows you to lift them up. And it's pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this set, we will leave the link in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next video.